Hello friends, good morning all of you. Here I am Gadekar Sachin Pandit. Today we are discuss on factor affecting in IR frequency. Okay, so in which inductive effect, resonance effect, hydrogen bonding, steric effect. Okay, and lastly application of IR spectroscopy for structure determination. Application of IR spectroscopy for structure determination. So last lecture yesterday we are discuss a conditions for absorption of IR region. Okay. Then interpretation of IR spectrum. IR absorption of some functional group, factor affecting IR frequency. Okay. So today we are discuss on factor affecting in IR frequency. Okay, IR frequency absorption. Okay, so first is the inductive effect. Okay, so they may be positive inductive effect and negative inductive effect. Then resonance effect also affect for IR frequency. Okay, so then hydrogen bonding, steric effects. Okay, so these 4 points we are discussed in this lecture. First first is the factors affecting IR frequency. First factor is inductive effect. Okay, so in first these aldehydes and ketone. Okay, so aldehyde shows 1720 and ketone shows 1710 IR frequency. Okay, in IR spectrum, aldehyde shows 1720 centimeter inverse frequency. Okay, pcat appeared in 1720, but ketone. Okay, so in this ketone, frequency appear at 1710 centimeter inverse because of methyl group act as a positive inductive effect, means donate the electron of carbonyl group. Okay, in first comparative study aldehydes and ketone. Okay, so these carbonyl compound decrease the IR frequency because plus I effect of methyl group. In second comparative study, simple ketone and different, one methyl group and one tetrafluoromethane. Okay, so in this second comparative simple ketone, two methyl group are present in carbonyl group. Okay, two propanone. Okay, so these propanone appears, peak appears at 1710 centimeter inverse. But in second example, peak appears 1769 centimeter inverse, because here methyl group act as a plus I effect and tetrafluoromethane act as a negative inductive effect. Okay, minus I effect means electron density of carbonyl group decrease, carbonyl stretching frequency increase. Okay, so that's why the stretching frequency increased to 1710 to 1769. But in third comparative reaction, third first compound, its appear 1710 centimeter inverse in this simple ketone, plus I effect, methyl group act as a plus I effect. Okay, so third third comparative study in second compound dichloro ketone. Okay, so in this again increase the IR stretching frequency near about 1820 centimeter inverse because chlorine act as a negative inductive effect. Okay, similarly difluoroketone. Okay, so chloro and fluoro both are act as a negative inductive effect, but chlorine and fluorine, in which fluorine is more electronegative as compared to chlorine, so that's why fluorine difluoroketone so increase the IR stretching frequency near about 1928 centimeter inverse. Okay, so that's why negative inductive effect more affect for IR frequency. Okay, so if positive inductive effect, they decrease the IR stretching frequency. If negative inductive effect present in compound, then increase the IR stretching frequency. Okay, so next is the factors affecting IR stretching frequency. Second is the resonance effect. Resonance effect are also affect in IR stretching frequency. Okay, so in this comparative study, first simple ketone and second is the conjugated ketone. Okay, so first simple ketone IR stretching frequency appears at 1710 centimeter inverse, but second first comparative study second molecule conjugated ketone. Conjugate ketone decrease the IR stretching frequency near about 1690 centimeter inverse. Why? Because why decrease the stretching frequency of conjugated ketone? Its resonance. Okay, resonance means plus and minus charges separate. Okay, so this resonance effect, that's why decrease the IR stretching frequency. Okay, in conjugated. Second, similarly second comparator study cycloketone, simple cycloketone cyclohexanone, in which IR stretching frequency appear 1710 centimeter inverse, but in conjugated cycloketone appears at a 1685 centimeter inverse. Okay, so they, because its resonance shift electron towards the oxygen, so that's why decrease the IR stretching frequency in resonance effect. Next is the next factors affecting IR stretching frequency. Again, one more example, resonance effect are also affected in first line. Okay, so ester IR stretching frequency, ester in which ketone IR stretching frequency appear first line, first example. Okay, ester carbonyl stretching frequency appear 1740 centimeter inverse. Okay, so next first line second example. Okay, so in this ester increase the conjugation, so decrease the stretching frequency. Okay, so near about decrease in 1720 centimeter inverse. Okay, again first line third example, in ester increase the benzene, so decrease the stretching frequency near about 1750 centimeter inverse. Okay, second line first example amide. Okay, C double bond O NH2. Okay, so these amide stretching frequency, these amide containing carbonyl stretching frequency near about 1690 centimeter inverse, but increase diamine ketone. Okay, so these amide carbonyl stretching frequency again decrease because increase the conjugation or resonance. Two lone pairs act as a donating and decrease the carbonyl stretching frequency. Second line, second example, near about 660 centimeter inverse. Okay, so third example, second line, third example, again benzene. Okay, so this benzene effect is less as compared to diamine. Okay, so that's why diamine ketone and benzene amide, this stretching frequency of carbonyl is 1680 centimeter inverse. Okay, so this is the resonance effect and conjugate effect for IR stretching frequency. Next is the hydrogen bonding. Okay, so IR stretching frequency, absorption, hydrogen bonding are also affected. So hydrogen bonding present in carboxylic acid. Okay, so carboxylic acid is always present in dimeric form. Okay, and this dimeric form due to hydrogen bonding. Okay, so in this picture, diagram of carboxylic acid dimer of carboxylic acid. This dimerization takes place through hydrogen bonding. Okay, so in this hydrogen bonding decrease due to the hydrogen bonding. So there are in carboxylic acid there are two types of functional group. First is the carbonyl and second is the hydroxy OH. Okay, so both stretching frequency appears different region. Okay, so carbonyls is different and hydroxy are also different. So both carbonyl and hydroxy stretching frequency are decreased for hydrogen bonding, dimerization of carboxylic acid. Due to the hydrogen bonding, not only carbonyl frequency decrease but also decrease a hydroxy stretching frequency. The hydroxy bond length increase due to the hydrogen bonding and hence bond strength decrease. Okay, as well as decrease IR stretching frequency. Okay, so OH bonded stretching frequency near about 1700 to 2500 centimeter inverse. Okay, but in free oxygen OH stretching frequency, free OH without hydrogen bonding appears, IR stretching frequency appears 3550 centimeter inverse. Okay, so that's why hydrogen bonding decrease the IR stretching frequency. Okay, so intramolecular and intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular, two different molecules bonded for hydrogen bonding. Okay, and intramolecular hydrogen bonding, to one single bond molecules contain. Single molecule contain intra, within a molecule hydrogen bonding are present. Okay, so these inter and intra hydrogen bonding are also effect in IR stretching frequency, effect IR stretching absorption frequency. Okay, so first here, next example, inter and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, so this para hydroxybenzoic acid, okay, 2 para benzoic acid, 2 para benzoic acid, para hydroxy benzoic acid, two molecules of para hydroxy benzoic acid connected through interhydrogen bonding. Okay, so but orthohydroxybenzoic acid, orthohydroxybenzoic acid in which intramolecular hydrogen bonding are present. Para-hydroxybenzoic acid in which two molecules are bonded through intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but hydroxybenzoic acid, orthohydroxybenzoic acid bonded through intrahydrogen bonding. Okay, so these inter and intrahydrogen bonding both are affected in IR stretching frequency. So inter and intrahydrogen bonding, there are intrahydrogen bonding are more stretching frequency as compared to interhydrogen bonding. Okay, so that's why these two inter and intrahydrogen bondings are also affected in IR stretching frequency. Okay, next example, inter and intramolecular hydrogen bonding such as free from hydrogen bonding. Okay, so affect in dilution effect on inter and intrahydrogen bonding. Okay, so molecules are diluted, then interhydrogen bondings are free from hydrogen bonding. Okay, so however, if the hydrogen bonding is intramolecular, the effect of dilution is not observed. So decrease the IR stretching frequency and decrease the interhydrogen bonding, increasing dilution. So that's why increase the stretching frequency. Okay, remember that intra and interhydrogen bonding. Okay, but interhydrogen bonding minimize or decrease if increase the dilution. So decrease the interhydrogen bonding, then increase the stretching frequency. Okay, so that's why interhydrogen bonding effect occurs in dilution, but in intrahydrogen bonding within a molecular hydrogen bonding, they are not effect of dilution because of these hydrogen bonding present within a molecule. So that's why they are not affected or they not change IR stretching frequency, IR stretching absorption frequency. Okay, so next example, alcohol and phenol. Okay, so these alcohols interhydrogen molecular bonding are present. Okay, similarly phenol also contain interhydrogen bonding. Okay, so if alcohol we are diluted, then decrease the intermolecular hydrogen bonding and increase the IR stretching frequency, means dilution effect. So similarly in phenol we are diluted to so decrease the intermolecular hydrogen bonding and increase the stretching frequency. But in second example, orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Okay, so these orthohydroxybenzoic acid, they not affect dilution. Okay, so these no effect on IR stretching frequency. Okay, so intramolecular hydrogen bonding in dilution, effect of dilution is not observed. So remember that inter and intrahydrogen bonding. Next is the steric effect. Okay, steric effect are also effect on IR stretching frequency. Okay, here more examples such as benzaldehyde, acetophenone and benzophenone. Okay, benzaldehyde, its IR stretching frequency, benzaldehyde in which carbonyl stretching frequency appears near about 1700 centimeter. Okay, but in acetophenone, these acetophenone act as a methyl group present. Okay, so these carbonyl stretching frequency decrease near about 1690 centimeter inverse. In third example, benzophenone. Okay, two phenyl groups present in carbonyl group. These carbonyl stretching frequency again decrease near about 600 1670 centimeter inverse. Okay, so this is the steric effect. Okay, first benzaldehyde containing only one benzyl group, but second is the benzene group and methyl group, and third is the two benzene bulky groups or more conjugate groups are attached to carbonyl groups and decrease the IR stretching frequency near about 1670 centimeter inverse. Next example, such as carbonyl stretching frequency in acid and their derivative. Okay, carbonyl stretching frequency in acid and their derivative. Carbonyl stretching frequency in acid also affect in IR stretching frequency. Okay, suppose simple carbonyl compound, okay, and conjugated carbonyl compound in acid. Okay, so first line, okay, so this acid 1 2 propanoic acid or acetic acid. Acetic acid, suppose first example, carbonyl stretching frequency in acid. First example, its carbonyl stretching frequency is 1720 centimeter inverse, and this delocalization of electron takes place, so that's why they decrease the stretching frequency. Second example, um, cyclohexane methyl group replaced by cyclohexane. Second line, first example, its stretching frequency is near about 1725 centimeter inverse, but present in benzene. Okay, so these benzene group act as a donating as well as electron withdrawing. So here conjugation effect as well as steric effect. So that's why I decrease the stretching frequency in carbonyl stretching frequency in acid. Okay, second line, second example, benzoic acid. In this benzoic acid, carbonyl stretching frequency appear near about 1700 centimeter inverse. Okay, third example, benzene attached through conjugate. Okay, so then again decrease the IR stretching frequency because conjugation effect. Okay, so carbonyl stretching frequency in acid there are different. In second line, first 1725, second benzoic acid 1700 decrease the IR stretching frequency, again decrease in conjugation. Third example, okay, 1680 centimeter inverse. So this is the effect of carbonyl stretching frequency in acid. So here derivatives, there are different derivatives in carboxylic acid such as amide derivative, ester derivative, amine derivative, etc. Factors affecting in IR stretching frequency such as acid derivative. Okay, so these ester derivative such as ester in which carbonyl stretching frequency appear near about 1740 centimeter inverse. Okay, because of delocalization of lone pair electrons, so that's why this appear 1740 centimeter inverse. Okay, so this oxygen act as a plus I as well as minus I effect. Okay, R group methyl act as a plus R effect and O is also act as a minus I effect. Okay, oxygen electronegative atoms act as a electron withdrawing, and lone pair act as a donating. So that's why ester group in which carbonyl groups appear, IR stretching frequency appear 1740 centimeter inverse. Okay, so combination plus I effect and minus I effect of oxygen as a result, these esters normally shows carbonyl stretching frequency near about 1740 centimeter, higher than the acid carbonyl. Similarly, acid halide or acyl halide, acyl chloride. Okay, so in this negative inductive effect more than positive inductive effect. Okay, similarly in acyl chloride and acyl fluoride. Okay, so acyl chloride act as a 1790 centimeter inverse. Its increased stretching frequency as compared to acid because of both minus I and plus I effect are also affected, but in which minus I effect is more dominant as compared to acid. Okay, similarly second example, acyl fluoride, its carbonyl stretching frequency appear near about 1850 centimeter inverse. Okay, so its IR stretching frequency more as compared to acid, as compared to acyl chloride, because negative I effect is more as compared to positive. Means fluorine is act as a plus I effect as well as minus I effect, but minus I effect is more. In case of acid halide, the minus I effect exceeds for more than their plus I effect, and as a result carbonyl group of acid halide absorb at a very high value acid fluoride at the highest value of 1850 centimeter inverse. Okay, so this is the factors affecting in IR stretching frequency. Next is factors affecting IR stretching frequency in amide. Okay, so amide is decreasing IR stretching frequency in acid derivative. Okay, why? Because amine act as a plus I effect as well as minus I effect, but plus I effect is more dominant. That's why its IR stretching frequency decrease as compared to acid. Okay, so in amide shows 1690 centimeter inverse. Okay, because delocalize its lone pair through oxygen. Similarly, third example, cyclohexanone. Cyclohexanone in which carbonyl stretching frequency appeared 1710 centimeter inverse. But in cyclopentanone, its carbonyl stretching frequency appeared 1740 centimeter inverse. Okay, so again cyclobutanone, again cyclopropanone. Okay, cyclohexanone, cyclopentanone, cyclobutanone and cyclopropanone. So these ring decrease, cyclohexane to cyclopropanone decrease the ring size, then increase the strength, angle strength. So that's why increase the stretching frequency of IR. So angle strain increase left to right, then increase the IR stretching frequency. Okay, so factors affect in IR stretching frequency in which also ring strain, decrease the ring strain, increase the angle strain. Okay, decrease the ring size and increase the strain. Okay, so carbonyl stretching frequency also increase. So thank you for watching this video. Next lecture we are discuss a application of IR stretching frequency and determination of structure of molecules. Okay, functional group region etc. we are discuss in next lecture. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.